Hello.
Hello.
That's what you do if you've got 25 grand spare floating around your bank account. Did Maria drop her bike the other day?
Well, we went out for a ride together.
Yeah.
And we went onto a country lane, which was just full of mud the whole way. So I had her in my ear whinging about
the mud?
Yeah, but some experience, even experienced riders don't like skidding on the mud, do they?
No.
And it went on and on. I think she was a bit worn out by the time we got to the end of the road. Came down to a T-junction and there was gravel and it was on a slope and some mud on the side. I think she just put her foot down, it slipped on the gravel. And she said, "I'm dropping it."
She told you then?
Yeah, I'm dropping it. And she held it as far as she could, and then it went and it pushed her over. But she rolled, she was fine. So we picked the bike up, put it on the stand, had a look at it. And there was a couple of marks one on the handlebar, which I've sanded down, a little tiny mark on the back. But the main thing was the cylinder crash plates took the brunt of it.
Yeah.
And there was a plastic cover on the cylinder that took a few knocks.
So the long short of it is, if you didn't have the bash plates on, it would have
damaged it because there was stones.
Do you think it would have gone through the cylinder?
Big stones went in, yeah.
Yeah. Think it would have gone through?
Could have done.
Yeah.
Could have.
End of ride.
Could have.
AA. So
Yeah.
worth having.
Yeah.
Good. Thanks, mate.